This is not how to make a spaghetti. Let's go. Add your spaghetti to the boiling water and wait about 10 minutes. And while you wait, have a Moretti. It is cooked. We got the tray. Now add your spaghetti to a pan. Add the sauce. Let's serve. And fuck it off. This is how to make a pansexual. Let's go. Cook the spaghetti. Cook your pasta sauce. Add the vino. Transfer the spaghetti to your pan. Cheese for vino. Sexy as fuck. And that's it. How to make an Italian sausage pizza. Let's go. Cut a hole in the pizza and then cook it. And make a hole in your pizza box. And then place the sausage in the pizza. Where's the sausage? It's there. It's just a tiny mushroom. It's not a mushroom. How to make a bisexual. Let's go. First you need to make a pizza. Shit. Okay, fine, I bought it. Cook the bitch. When it's done, plate it up. Sexy as fuck. Bye. And that's it. How to make pineapple pizza on a double rocket. Let's go. That's this for Italia. I'm not sure if this rocket's gonna take the weight of the pizza. This looks shit as fuck. Pineapple. How to make a non-binary pizza. Let's go. You need a pizza. Wipe this shit off. And that's it. How to make a blue waffle pizza. Let's go. You need a waffle and cling film. Mamma mia, peach. Place your waffle on the pizza. Cook the bitch. And serve. Ciao again. Shit. How to make a... Let's go. Pineapple on pizza, yes or no? Pineapple on pizza, yes or no? Yes. Shit off. Pineapple on pizza, yes or no? No. Pineapple on pizza, yes or no? Pineapple on pizza, yes or no? Or not? Pineapple on pizza, yes or no? Shit off. Let's go. How to make a homosexual. Let's go. Cook the spaghetti. If you don't boil your water first, you're a dick. Like me. Have a beer while you wait. When the spaghetti's done, drain it. And apply the spaghetti. Sexy as fuck. And that's it. How to make Squid Game challenge with a pizza. Just jumping on the shit train. Let's go. For this, we're gonna use linguine. Oh, fuck. Shit. Fuck. Yes. Mamma mia. Fucking did it. Oh, shit. Pew, pew. Squid Game challenge. Taking pizza. Let's go. Spaghetti sushi! Apparently it's a thing. Boil your spaghetti, make your sauce with the herbs, and then get your sushi paper out already. You cannot find the sushi paper, use duct tape. And the Moretti while you wait, of course. When your spaghetti is done, you want to lay it out on the paper. Then add the sauce, roll it up, slice and serve. Shit off! Spaghetti sushi! Pot noodle pizza! Let's go! What the fuck is wrong with me? It's gonna be shit. Eat! Get a pot noodle and pour it over your pizza. Roll it up and shit it off. Pot noodle pizza. Explosive spaghetti. My favorite power-up. Here's some I made earlier. Make your spaghetti like you normally would with the flour, eggs and water. And add gunpowder and a cup of Yoshi's piss. Mamma mia, it's fizzy. Mix it all up, make your spaghetti, let's try. How to make a Chicago pizza. Let's go. Pre-made pizza base, bag of mozzarella, tinner pizza sauce, add the mozzarella. Actually, it's too much. Pour the pizza sauce, add some basil, like this. Cook the bitch. And there we go, look at that. Oh my god. How to make cock soup. The fuck? First you got to empty your sack into cold water. Boil it for 5 minutes. It looks fucking shit. I don't know if I'm gonna spit or swallow it. It's ready, so let's try it. Shit off. Cock. You've been drinking Primark wrong your whole life. I'm gonna show you how to. Let's go. First, we need to open it. Then, you just need to take it over, drain the shit, and then fuck it off. You've been Hawaiian pizza with pineapple, mamma mia. The one at the welcome in Italia. Put it in the oven. Cremate the bitch. Once done, place in a box, slice it up, and then we take it for a walk. To the grave. graveyard. Here's a good spot to end done. Ciao, you evil bitch. Who are